Okay, I'll just wait till Daniel's slightly out of the way. Okay, Daniel. Two planes. Number 3 launching. All we got to do now is not hit each other. Or the ground or the trees.
Or the public.
Oh, the public. That doesn't matter so much, does it?
All I do is a little bit of wing wobble.
You're using the bamboo wing joiner, the improvised Scout Hut bamboo wing joiner.
Which I will now go easy on and give them a wobble.
You saw it wobbling, did you? Maybe that's not a very snug fit.
I mean, they always have a bit of wobble as well. Yeah.
They do, yes. Keep thinking I'm catching up with you, but I'm not really. The depth perception is so difficult, isn't it? Evidence off the tree. Oh dear, where are you? Are you coming round?
On the inside.
Yeah, I'm on the inside. I almost stalled it actually there. I'll go up to medium height, I think, and recover.
Vertical separation and all that. Yeah, I'm up to about 15 minutes or so, so after you're landed and up again, I'll come down, change battery.
Right. Landing.
I think these two are the mosquitoes. Oh no, the bit. Guys, the mosquito. Come on, the mosquito. Come on, mosquito. Oh, we're in danger.
Right, let's get this one going again.
Oh, the mosquito's coming. Yeah.
You ready for this one to go? Okay.
You better win the war, mosquito.
Right, guys, you ready?
Yeah.
Launching. There's rather a lot of talk about the war going on.
I'm going to circle and come to land.
Okay.
Just crash into the bomber!
Oh shit.
We're getting him a bomber! Yeah! Oh, come on, guys, it's fly high! Fly high! Oh, the mosquito's going faster than coming back on! That's right, the bomber's going to go back on. We're safe, we're safe, we're safe. No, Joe, the bomber's going to die. And then that's down. So hard. Too low. The bomber's flying. We just want to bump into it.
Well, we proved that bamboo's a good wing joiner for these. Ooh. I hope that wasn't closer than it looked.
That wasn't close at all then. And I'm ready.
Okay. Well, I'm going to land in that case on this pass, and I'll put a new battery in.
That was good for you, Greg. I'm up high.
Right. Right. You want to feel the propeller? Shall we launch it then? Right. Okay.
Get in there!
Launching. All aren't they?
It's a group of boys who've got a whole narrative going on.
Yes. Yeah. I think that's the fireworks guys sort of walking out to get ready.
I wonder if we shouldn't start. Possibly.
Well, Greg's going to have to land in a minute, so when you've landed, Greg, we'll land. You can give us a proper time check, and then we'll land at 5:02.
Okay.
I daren't look at my watch because I know what'll happen.
2.
Okay, so should we land?
Yeah.
Who's going to land? Sorry?
You go first.
Okay. Losing height and landing.
I'll need to then dump fuel.
Do you enjoy that? I think it's fireworks in 5 minutes, so we've got to pack up now.